This is how Germans build houses. They no longer need workers or hire concrete masons. They can easily construct a house in just 2 days. What you see is a house-building robot developed in Germany. The device is directly mounted on a truck to construct houses. Before building, the model must be pre-designed on a computer. Then, the entire construction plan is transmitted to the robot, and only then can the robot start building the house. This robot has a 25-meter-long arm, allowing it to construct buildings up to 8 stories high. At the end of the long arm, there is a video camera and a laser tracking system that precisely places the bricks in the correct position. If the bricks are too large, they can be automatically cut to the correct size. In summary, everything a builder can do, this construction robot can do 10 times faster. Traditional house construction requires reinforcement, but this robot seems to need none, using industrial adhesive said to be stronger than concrete and has thermal and sound insulation properties. This makes the bricks very solid in just about 40 minutes, significantly increasing the overall efficiency of the construction process. Would you trust a robot to build your house?